In this video I will show you how to fix these lags. Hi friends, you can see I am playing PUBG and there is so much lags in this game, so I will show you how to fix this. And before starting this video, I've request my friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. You can see everything is stucking, so I will show you how to fix this. First of all, we need to close this game and all the tabs which is open. Here you can see, and after that you need to go to settings. You need to go to journal and then accessibilities. There are three options you have to do. One thing is reduce transparency. You have to enable it. You have to enable transparency, and the second is increase contrast. Okay. And the third is reduce motions. Okay. So after that you need to go to App Store. Here is App Store. Here you need to search a game, the application. This is the application you need to search. Here you can see I already installed it, so I just click on open. You get something like this. Just click on allow. You need to add application, so the application is PUBG. Here it is. Just click on speed as authorized, allow. Okay. It'll take little bit couple of times, so you have to wait little bit. See, 64, 65, 70, 71, 72. Here you can see it's okay. Now we go to play again. Okay, we will enter to match again. and also can see everything is working very fine and smoothly. Nothing is stucking, nothing else. I hope that you understand this video. If you understand, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, and you can also share with your friends. I hope that you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a nice day.